Hi, hello everyone. So happy to be here. Okay, it's also the same. The Saturday morning. Okay, that's the video. I just say that my belly ache is very seriously. Okay. Oh. I have to say that actually every time my illness happened, although that will just influence a little bit about the bowels and your digesting in situation, but actually, it is not too serious and very under the obstruction. So I think that will be rather comfortable, and that is easier to become healthy. One thing is I go to consult a doctor. So I know my situation about my belly. I definitely understand and realize what it can and what is results. And so actually, I don't like to consult a doctor because I would just do. Sometimes I will massage my belly part muscle and the bowel, and I will use a little bit painkiller. Besides, I will drink waters. That is very important. If you don't know why and very bewildered, water is a very basic material that is liquid, but very important to the body's organs to exert their mechanic. So when I drink warm water, I drink warm water. So one method, one side, I just cleaning up my bowels inner situation. Another, I just massage the tension of the bowels the muscle. So I drink the warm, sometimes hot, warm, hot water, and I will not have diet very constantly. I will wait when I can just to have the how to say that word, have the how to say that word, to make the food, the garbage exist out from the bowel. So okay, I just lost a word. Okay, so that is very interesting. So when I have some situation about my bowels, so then the excretion, after the excretion, my the excrement can just exist out from my bowel in the body. So then I will just to eat some vegetables, and I will just chew it very many times and make it just like the mud. and I will sometimes squeezing some vegetable juice, especially still continuously drinking the warm and hot water, and make the belly part to warm up and clean up the inner situation of the bowel. So don't very constantly to have diet every time. When I have the exertion, the exerting is just exceeding out. So then I will just have diet another time. So, and I will massage my belly. So that is a way to just ease the sidral phenomena about the belly. So every time I will just offer some method that when you have some situations not good about your body's health, and you want to solve and get a solution to just comfort more and to right away to ease some very tension situation. So some method is very efficient. So you have to remember one thing, that is several basic concepts about the body. The nerve, I ever taught and discussed the nerve system in my medicine pages. So the nerve is a very important organ and system in the whole body. You have to remember, if you want to stay or maintain a healthy body, you cannot only just to care about your every part and just very obvious system and organ in your body. The nerve system control and influence, connect with over 90% the activities in your body. So you have to know when the nerve disorder, you are just into a situation that is just have some puzzle and very hardness in your problem, when you just want to consult a illness in the stomach or in the heart or in the lung. But if your nerve system has been disordered, that it will be very complicated to diagnose. If you never told your doctor that you have already disorder about in your nerve system, and they can find out, can discover some clues in your body's heat. Here is something that is different in the problem, and without reasons, when they just to inspect your lung, your heart, your stomach. So they will just let you to do some examination. Finally, discover here is some disorder in your nerve system. So the nervous system is just influence and connect with the over 19% in your whole body's activities. You have to remember, nervous protection, the first step, you have to remember to make your body maintain and preserve a certain sufficient rest. and not always under tension or angry or worried or abominable feelings, or just very disorder in the emotion. So when we angry, when we on tension, when we worry about, that will influence the brain to just emit some material that is a little bit like the poison. That it will just to withdraw back your some normal function to backward, or just stop, cease, even damage. When you're always under the emotion, feeling is very angry, tension, worry about, and very sentimental. So why doctor always say that you have to maintain and preserve a calmness mind and always stay in a very peaceful situation? Because when you when you in calmness, when you calm down, when you're in a very peaceful situation, the body will in a very normal circumstance. Then you can just do some boost or some additional bonus for your body. So nerve is very important. And another one thing is your muscle. Muscle cover all the body whole 100%. Okay, so in the muscle, here are so many nerves. If we accept the bone system, so we just talk about the muscle and the nerve. Next time we talk about the organ. If you want to, your body can just under some a little bit more or less protection. Remember to make your muscle not too tension and nervous, and train your muscle is another way to make your body healthier. And you are also able to care about to relax your muscle is another way to preserve and protect your body in a situation that it will not influence your inner viscera. And another one, because the vessels and the nerve is in and with connect with the muscle. So the muscle's health is very important. Okay. I have talked so much already, so next time we just introduce other things about the house, so that is very interesting, I think. So okay, today this time it's also the same, the quadratic function, and it's unequal equation. So, but this time, the topic is the judgment equation, D. Judgment equation, D. So, okay, so let's see how to solve the following questions. So when you see the first equation, so I think x squared plus 6x plus 9 is just the x plus 3 bracket square. That's right. This is right. So the first, x squared plus 6x plus 9 bigger than 0, that's equal x plus 3 squared will bigger than 0. So therefore x will be any real number, but x is not equal -3. That is very simple to understand, because in the bracket, x can be any number, even the -1, because the bracket is square. Every number after square is all positive. It's all bigger than 0. But just only one thing, the x cannot be the -3. If the x be the -3, the bracket square is equals 0. It's not bigger. It is not bigger. So the two question, x squared minus 4x plus 4 equal than 0. That is like the x minus 2 squared bigger equal than 0. So therefore x will be any real number. Okay, because here is equal, so 3. So the x squared plus 4x plus 4 smaller than 0, that will become x plus 2 squared smaller than 0. Okay, any real number after square, all positive. Square must positive. So here you can see that it is just one to solve the smaller than 0. So therefore this question is without solution. Okay, this question is without solution. Okay, the 4. The 4, x squared minus 2x plus 1 smaller equal than 0. So that will be x minus 1 squared smaller equal than 0. So okay. So the last one, we say that after square, all the real number all positive. So here is the same. We will say that this question is only having one answer, that is x equal 1, because after square all the real number is positive, so it is never impossible negative. So the smaller than 0 is without solution. Only one can be the answer, is the equal one. So this question is only having one answer, that is x equal 1. So the 5 x squared plus 4x plus 5 smaller than 0. So that is become x plus 2 squared, still have to plus 1. Okay, so have to smaller and equal than 0. So first, every real number after square will be positive. And positive plus 1, always positive. Okay, even the x is negative 2. The rectangle square becomes 0, but 0 plus 1 still bigger than 0. So, therefore, this question is without solution. Okay, the 6. Okay, so the question is negative 3x squared. So we want to make it easier to discuss. We will turn it to become a positive. So when 3x squared minus 6x minus 5, we just let it to be right, let it to be left. That will become 0. 3x squared plus 6x plus 5. That will become 3x squared plus 6x plus 5 bigger than 0. Okay, so square minus cx minus 5 will become 3x squared plus cx plus 5 bigger than 0. So to do the completing square method, completing square method, leave it out, the 3 leave it out, and half square still have to plus 2, have to bigger than 0. So when the bracket is square, that is all positive. Even the x is -1, the bracket square is 0, but here is still +2. So the equation is always positive. Therefore, the x is all the real number. Okay, we use 6 very simple equations to discuss the theory and the ideology in the function when we talk about the unequal equations and the x situation amount in the equation, how we to explain it. So that is very easy to understand. I don't know if you can just realize about this. So we can just I think we don't have time, so this one will just take maybe 10 minutes. So I think we can just leave to next video, so that will be more clear because we have sufficient time to discuss the question. So I think that is very okay. So we can just talk about this. So here is the two equations to be a set. So you can see the first. So that will become 1117 and become x minus 1, x minus 7 smaller equal than 0. So the second, we can talk about its root. So we have the first one, have the second one, and then we draw out all the range and discover the two equations covered together. That is the answer. So that is very simple ones, just like very easy to understand. So we just lay that next video to talk about. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.